in violation of international law. India used as a premise for this attack the terrorist attack that took place in Indian-occupied Kashmir. Pakistan was ready to be part of any impartial international investigation into this terrorist attack. We did so because we were confident, our hands are clean, and we had nothing to do with this terrorist attack. The Indian government refused Pakistan's offer and chose instead to conduct their illegal strikes. Pakistan only ever acted in self-defense.
बिलावल भुट्टो ने कहा कि भारत के पानी रोकने के इकदाम को बैनुल-अक़वामी मुआहदों की खुली खिलाफ वर्जी करार देते हैं। पाकिस्तान पानी को बतौर हथियार इस्तेमाल नहीं करने देगा।
The weaponization of water, the violation of the Indus Water Treaty by the Indian government must be condemned across the board. We cannot allow this precedent to be set. The mere threat to cut off the water supply for 200 million people is a violation of the UN Charter. Acting on this threat would be seen as an act of war by Pakistan.
बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने कहा कि मसला कश्मीर के हल के बगैर खित्ते में कशीदगी का खात्मा मुमकिन नहीं। मसाइल मुज़ाकरात और सफारतकारी से ही हल किए जा सकते हैं।
The root cause of terrorism in Indian-occupied Kashmir is the unresolved agenda of Kashmir before the United Nations Security Council. There are promises that we made as an international community to the people of Kashmir, that India made to the people of Kashmir, and those promises are still not kept.
बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने जोर दिया कि पाकिस्तान अमन का ख्वाह है और बातचीत के लिए हमेशा तैयार है। उन्होंने आलमी बरादरी से मुतालबा किया कि वो भारत को मुज़ाकरात की तरफ राग़िब करे। नमरा